Good morning, all of BSc second students. I have to teach BSc second paper 6. Today I am going to start the chapter coupled oscillations. In the word coupled, the meaning and what is we are going to study is clear. Couple means two, and there is two body oscillations, and there are types of normal mode and energy with due to that coupled oscillation that we are going to study. Again, I want to repeat, couple means two body oscillation. In simple harmonic motion, there is a only single body. That's why it is called as simple harmonic motion. In the case of the coupled oscillation, two bodies are connected to each other. That's why its name is given couple. This couple you can understand by husband and wife or two lovers on the road with the discussion close to each other, and we call them as a couple is going on. Now you can understand what is mean by coupled oscillations. There are normal modes of vibrations of abnormal. That is we are here going to see only the normal modes, and it's energy. Once you understand the couple goes on the road, then you can understand the coupled oscillation. So definition of coupled oscillations. When two oscillatory systems are connected or otherwise coupled to each other so that the motion of the one system can influence the motion of other. The resulting oscillations are said to be a coupled oscillation. In my opinion, this is also applicable. The couple, that means husband, wife, or two lovers are discussing, and they are sit down on the one single bench on the garden, then it is a good coupling. Okay, now you can understand the what do you mean by coupled oscillation. What did happen? There may be the influence of the husband or wife, and also there is the influence of the wife on the husband. Somewhat properties are inserted in wife, and some of the properties of the wife are inserted in the home husband, and that is very good couple. Similar way, two bodies means one is a husband and one is a wife. Now you can understand that. What is the influence of the husband on the wife, or what is the influence of the wife on the husband? Nowadays in India, there is a more 90% influence of the wife on the husband. Okay. In this way, you can understand the coupled oscillation. Otherwise, you are doing very hard work for to understand the coupled oscillation. Once you understand the basic idea behind the coupled oscillations, then all other is the remaining part is what? Mathematical part. Once you understand this coupled oscillation basic thing, then you can understand all mathematical part. But similar to the simple harmonic motion, only there is a coupling of two bodies just like a husband and wife with good couple. There is also another example is there with the two lovers exchanging the ideas. It is also a good couple. Okay. Now, the extent to which the motion of one system can influence the other determine the nature of the coupling. Again, I want to give the example. How husband is influenced by wife or wife is influenced by the husband depending upon the coupling of that husband and wife. If there is no understanding between them, then they come too close to each other, but there is no coupling. They are separate bodies. Understand? Similar way, in this also, the extent to which the motion of the system can influence the other determine the nature of coupling. Then according to that nature of the coupling, there are two types. Coupling may be weak or a strong coupling. I give advice to my all students in the future after 10 years, maybe 8 years, depending upon you, how you are doing hard work, either it is ladies or gents. There is no hesitation to think on that. You should have a strong coupling with the wife. Then it is very nice journey with wife throughout your up to your death. And if you have a weak coupling, then there are a number of problems in your life. So after now you are near about 18 years. After 6 to 7 years, you will be married. I hope, because gents people are not doing study well. They are going through mobile and TV, etc. I advise you, my friends, do hard work. Otherwise, there is problem for your marriage in the future, and there may be a weak coupling. To have a strong coupling, you should do hard work. Okay. Now the couple system may be a mechanical or electrical. Yes. Couple system must be maybe a mechanical or electrical. Here we are first going to see the mechanical coupling with weak coupling. See the diagram figure clearly. AB is the support. that is a floor of our building or a slab in your room, and there are two hangers at the point A and B. From the point A, string is connected with the bob at the end with the mass m and weight mg. There is a difference between mass and weight. If mass is equal to suppose 50 kilogram, then weight is mass into acceleration to gravity. We are measuring our weight, not a mass. You understand? We are measuring our weight. This concept is also clear when I am teaching you here. This is happens because if you go through step by step the working or explanation, then all these points are clear. That means, Mr. Friend, suppose M is 50 kilogram and G is 9.8. Then weight is more, but mass is very less. Because it is multiplied by 9.8. That means, imagine, my friend, what is your mass? It is very small as you are measuring your weight. Because whatever you have a mass, it is multiplied by 9.8. That means, suppose your weight is a 50 kilogram, then actually it is not a 50, mass is, I think, very small. Why it is multiplied by g? Because the acceleration to gravity is a attracts the body towards the ground. That's why it is multiplied by g. Okay. This point is clear. From the point B, string is connected, and the end of the string there is a bob of the mass m and weight mg. Initially, both the bobs are vertically straight. Okay. And in between their two bobs, at the end of the bob, spring is connected. What is spring? Simple thing. You wound the copper wire and connect to the two bobs at the end of the two bobs. Spring is formed. Nothing else. Okay. I am explaining in English in a simple language. If you have any doubts regarding you, if you want in Marathi also, then I will explain, my friends. But to understand, it is very easy language. Therefore, there is no question from my side. But if you have any your side there is problem, you give me message on the WhatsApp. No problem to me. Okay. So in this way, two bobs vertically straight when no force is applied to any bob. Okay, see here. Initially, when the bob are at equilibrium position, when they straight, let the spring be unstretched. That is Fc equal to 0. What is Fc? Here. L is the length of the pendulum as shown in the diagram. L is shown by the red ink. M is mass of the bob. Fc is the force of coupling. X1 is the displacement of the first bob. X2 is the displacement of the second bob. Understand? Okay, x1 is the displacement of the first bob. Initially, when no coupling force is applied or no that bob is try to push in the one side, then up to that point coupling force is zero. That is, all the two bobs are initially at equilibrium position. It is called as equilibrium position. Okay, go to the next. Now Fc, that is the coupling force, is proportional to effective extension of the spring. Suppose when no coupling force is applied, then length of extension is zero. Suppose it is a 10 centimeter length. Due to application of the coupling force, the force of the coupling, is proportional to effective. How much extension? Suppose now spring is extended up to 15 centimeter. Then how much net effective extension? 5 centimeter. Therefore, Fc is directly proportional to 5 centimeter. That is, Fc is directly proportional to x2 minus x1. x2 is the displacement of second bob. x1 is the displacement of first bob. That is equal to, when proportionality sign is removed, then what is remaining? Fc is equal to k multiplied by x2 minus x1, where k is called as coupling constant. Here is no negative sign, my friends. Just like in the restoring force, the negative sign will become in the next part. But in this coupling force, there is a no negative sign. But there is a coupling constant k is comes. Therefore, Fc equal to, you have k equal to Fc equal to k into x2 minus x1. Then this coupling force here in the general life husband-wife, in the case of the husband-wife, the coupling force may be external, like just like husband's mother. Husband must have told them, please go to the market and purchase 2000 price having the sari having 2000 value. They will go to the market. Then it is coupling is good. That is no problem. Similar way, how much the spring is stretched according to applied coupling force. Depending upon that, the weak coupling was found. Here we are going to see the weak coupling. Okay. I have given the example, the best example is the couple of the husband and wife. This is because unless and until I have not explained all the physics concepts by using the general life, you can't understand. That's why I am giving the examples. But it is very entertainment thing for you. Okay. Then by the usual theory of the simple pendulum, why here he called as a simple pendulum. Once again comes the simple pendulum. We have the simple pendulum. In the case of the simple pendulum is what? Simple harmonic motion. What will happen in that case? When bob is brought at one extreme end and released, what happens? The bob starts oscillates with simple harmonic motion. When bob goes to the one side, then restoring force acting on that is given by F equal to minus kx. Why there is a minus kx? You can understand. Because, why friends? Minus sign comes because restoring force is in the opposite direction to the displacement. Okay. Similar way you have also. I am giving the lecture on online, but some students, those students having restoring force 0, they are listening carefully, sincerely, but 90% students have a restoring force 90%. That's why the restoring force wins and you are not doing study. That means your mind giving the signal, don't go to that video. What Paul sir is telling, what Patil madam is telling, Kamesh sir is telling. Okay, at the time of the exam we will see. But don't do like this. This is because, my friends, this is because once your basic concepts are clear, then your future is bright. So, restoring force is everywhere, not in the only in the case of simple pendulum. Restoring force is also applied to us also. That's we understood in this lecture. So, my friends, attend each lecture sincerely and go to the recording, take the notes, write the notes because I have given more time to writing these notes. Okay, and each and every single word is explained. Then restoring force on the first pendulum is equal to minus mgx1 divided by L. Similarly, restoring force on the second pendulum is equal to again minus mgx2 divided by L. Here negative sign because the bob tried to come to the original position or equilibrium position. That's why it opposes to the displacement x1, x2. Similar way, like you people are doing this study, your one mind is saying don't go to the video. Once you click and okay, finish, pause or views are completed. No, you are cheating yourself. You are cheating. You are a developing country, India. Okay, you keep in that in mind. That's why it is a negative sign. Next part we will be going to see in the next lecture. Thank you very much.